my son managed to break this, I think it's RCA cable, sound cable, off into there. Ah, there you are, you little bugger. I have watched some YouTube videos and am now prepared to attempt the extraction. I have this set. I'm trying to show you. Just really, really cheap screwdrivers. I literally just got this from the dollar store. So, this one was small and fits in there nicely and is metal. So near as I can tell, actually having this filmed will help me with seconds. People say heat the tip of this for about 40 seconds. Okay. Now, I'll stick it in there. And then hold it there for a bit. So I'm applying pressure. That piece in there is like mostly plastic, so I'm hoping to melt this metal into the plastic until they bond. Actually, because this is so thin, another guy on YouTube that did it melted this plastic around it, but this is thin enough that it's not going to touch. So I should be okay. Oh, here it comes. Ah, yay! That little piece has had our whole entire surround sound system broken for months now, so I'm feeling very pleased right now. All right. Let's see, I'll push it in there.